Hello guys, this is Jitin Ashtekar from Galpin studying cybersecurity in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23CY023. Today's subject is Object Oriented Programming Language with Java and the topic is Methods in Java. What are methods in Java? In Java, methods are blocks of data code that performs a specific task. They help in code reusability, modularity, and readability. Methods in Java can be classified into two types. Predefined methods like system or system.out.println and user-defined methods, custom methods you can write. Modifiers. Modifiers specify the method's visibility and behavior. There are two types of modifiers. Access modifiers. Like example, public, the method is accessible from any other class. Protected. The method is accessible within its own package and by subclasses. Private. The method is accessible only within its own class. Default. The method is accessible only within its package. Non-access modifiers. Static. The method belongs to the class rather than an instance. It can be called without creating an object of the class. Final. The method cannot be overridden by subclasses. Abstract. Declares a method without implementation must be implemented by subclasses in an abstract classes. Synchronized. Restricts access to the method by multiple threads. Native. Indicates the method is implemented in a language other than Java. Example C or C++. Return type. The return type specifies the type of value a method returns. Void. The method does not return any value. Primitive types. Int, double, boolean, etc. The method returns a specific type of primitive value. Object types. The method can return an object, for example, string or array list. Method names. The name of the method identified, identifies it and follows Java's naming conventions. The method names must always start with a $sign or slash or a underscore but not a digit. Should be descriptive and uses camel keys, for example, calculate sum or get name. As you can see, the form of writing a method name is indicated in the bracket. Parameters. Parameter acts as inputs to the method. They are defined in parentheses brackets after the method name. Each parameter has a type and a name. Parameters are optional. Methods can have zero or more parameters. Multiple parameters are separated by commas. Why use methods in Java? For the sake of code reusability, avoid writing the same code repeatedly. Modularity, break complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces. Readability, makes code cleaner and more easier to understand. Static methods in Java. In Java, static methods belongs to the class rather than an instance of the class. These methods are loaded into memory when the class is loaded and can be invoked directly using the class name without creating an object of the class. Characteristics of static methods. Class level association. Static methods are associated with the class itself, not with an instance. They are shared across all instances of the class. Direct invocation can be called directly using the class name. Example, class name, method name. Instance methods in Java. An instance method in Java belongs to an object of a class. Unlike static methods, instance methods operate on the data contained in the specific object they are called on. These methods can access both instance and static variables, making them integral for object-oriented programming. Introducing methods in Java. Introduce the concept of methods in Java. A method is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. It is used to encapsulate functionality, making the code reusable and modular. Example, explanation. In Java, methods are used to perform actions. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we can define a method and reuse it whenever we need it. Explaining the syntax. Modifier defines access level, for example, public or private. Return types specifies the type of value that the method returns. that is int, string, or void. Method name identifies the name of the method. Parameters imports the method accepts other option. Method body contains the logic to perform the task. Difference between static and instance methods. With the feature belongs to instance methods belongs to the specific object of the class, but static methods belongs to the class itself. With the feature invocation, instance methods requires an object, whereas static methods can be called using the class name. Accessing to instance variables, instance methods, yes, it is easily accessible to instance methods, whereas static methods no. Access accessibility to static variables. Instance methods yes, whereas static methods yes. Use of this keyword. Inst in the instance methods, use of this keyword is allowed, whereas in static methods it is not allowed. That's it, guys. Thank you.